tools that we use that's kind of neat, gives us a lot of accuracy and precision, is a tool presetter. Let's go talk to one of our machinists now about how the presetter works and why we use it. Hey, Joe. Hey. Today we're taking some time to show the people at home a little bit about our machining process. So can you take us through the Koma tool presetter and let us know how that works?
Yeah. This is basically an off-machine presetter that we use. Our machines have presetters in them, but because of the environment that they're in, sometimes that they might get bumped around from cleaning or just the machining process. So we use an off-machine presetter that is a lot more accurate to it. So basically what we're trying to do is measure from that lip to the end of the tool. And we can do that while the machine's running, so it saves time on here. So basically we put the machine, we can either do that in the lathe or the mill. This is for the mill. Basically what we're looking for is that height. So once it gets in there, we can turn it, it kind of automatically went to that height, and we can get exactly what that measurement is within tenths. Once we got that, put the tool number in there, and we can actually print that out. So once you have that, you have your dimension on there. You can take that with the tool and take it back to the machine and put the offset in.
Hey, Joe. Let's see if we have some slugs cut ready to load on the lathe.